In this video, I will be showing the top 5 secret Instagram tips, tricks and hacks that will shock you, like you will be able to download real video without an app or website, or recover deleted Instagram posts like this. And if you watch this video till the very end, I will be also giving you a bonus trick which will be worth it. So definitely watch this video till the very end. But before we start, if you are new here, my name is Farzeel and here I publish content related to social media tips, tricks and more. So do sub if you enjoy my content, and let's begin. The first trick is recycle post. Using this trick, you will be able to recycle any post that you accidentally deleted, but the rule is that you will be only able to recycle the post within 30 days of deletion. So let's show you how you do that. Open up your profile, click these 3 lines at the top right corner, then it will show you some options. Tap on settings. Now it will show you lots of options. Here click on account, and then from here go all the way to the end and you'll see option called recently deleted. So tap on recently deleted and it will show you all the posts you have recently deleted. You can click on the one you want to recycle, tap these 3 dots and click restore. Now tap on restore again and it will ask to confirm if it's you who's restoring the post. Select a method, enter 6-digit code sent to you, click confirm, and this will definitely show your post again on your profile with just a refresh. Second is shake to report. Using this trick, you can easily report anything on Instagram by just shaking your phone, but make sure you report what shouldn't be on Instagram. So let me show you how you do that. To enable shake to report, what you wanna do is tap these 3 lines, tap setting. From here, click on the help option, tap on report a problem. Now what you want to do is click on journal feedback or send feedback option, and once you tap on it, now here just type up something nice. Once you enter something here, click on send. Now a pop-up will come saying thank you, but at the bottom you will see turn on shake, so tap on it, and once you tap on it, the next time you shake your phone it will show your pop-up. Select the option that suits you, and just like this you will be able to turn on shake to report option. Next is downloading reels. This is not a trick, it's more of a hack. Using this hack you will be able to download any reel that you like within the Instagram app. So no app or website, let me exactly show you how you do that. So first what you need to do is open up the reel you like, tap the share icon now, and then click on add reel to your story. Don't worry, we won't be putting this reel on our story, just follow up. It will open up the reel on your story. So what you have to do is fit up the reel within your phone frame, just like I'm doing it, and click up the download icon and it will download the Instagram reel in your gallery with music in high quality. So yeah. Fourth is saved replies. Using this trick you will be able to create a shortcut for the message you want to send. It might be confusing, so let's just go and show you. But before I do this, just letting you know that this option is only available for you if your account is a creator account. So for this you can click these 3 lines, setting, now tap on creator option and now click on saved replies option. Here click this plus icon and it will bring up a option. Now here you get 2 options, shortcut and a message. So basically in the shortcut you want to enter a shortcut for a message, like I will type a shortcut for thanks a lot, which will be TA, so I will type TA. In the message section, type in a message for your shortcut, so I will write thanks a lot since I already told you. Now let's open up the chat section for a person. So I received this message and the reply for this would be of course thank you or something similar like thanks a lot. So let's enter a shortcut TA and click this option, and just like this, thanks a lot is written. This is a really important for a creator on Instagram. Fifth is pause all. This feature is for the people who get really distracted because of Instagram. Using this feature you'll be able to pause all Instagram notification, videos, posts or anything that distracts you while studying. This feature is really important for online studies, so let's go. So for this what you want to do is open up Instagram setting. Now click notifications and here you will see an option called pause all. So just tap on it, and once you enable this, it will show you for how much time you want to pause all notifications. You get times from 15 minutes to 8 hours. So select the one you want, select the one that suits you, and just like this you could pause all notification and also turn it off using the same way. So now it's time for the bonus trick, which is related to the previous trick. So now let's go to the phone screen and show you. First click these three dots, and now you will see this option. So just tap on your activity or activity, and once you tap on your activity, from here you'll see two things, links and time. So just tap on time. Here tap on set daily reminder, the second last one, and once you tap on set daily reminder, you can set a reminder for how much time you want to use Instagram. Let's say I set it for 15 minutes. Now let's say that I use Instagram a lot. By using this, when I reach the time I have set, I will get a reminder saying that you have reached your time. So this trick is great if you want to prevent using Instagram a lot. So that's all the tips, tricks and hacks I got for this video. Do like this video if you think it was helpful, and also subscribe if you haven't yet, and let me know in the comment section which trick was your favorite. So I will see you soon. Goodbye.